As a learner driver, you don't need car insurance to learn to drive, provided you only drive with a certified driving instructor. However, if you want to get extra practice outside of your driving lessons, like driving with your parents, then you will need specific cover. In this video, we'll go over the options you have. The type of insurance you want is called provisional driver insurance, and there are 3 ways to get covered. First is becoming a named driver on your parents' policy. Many learner drivers are added to someone else's insurance policy as a named driver. This means you don't have a policy of your own, you're just named on theirs. It's the simplest way to go. The trade-off is that it can be expensive. As well as increasing your parents' insurance premium, if you have a little accident, they could lose their no claims bonus. And that might make future turns in the car more uncomfortable. The next option is to get your own learner driver insurance cover. This means that if you do put a dent in mum and dad's car, you won't affect their insurance. You'll be comprehensively covered and claim on your own policy. They might still be annoyed though. It's a good option because you won't risk anyone else's no claims bonus and you can start building your own up right away. Also, this insurance can be set up to convert to regular insurance when you pass, so you won't have to worry about that later. Just make sure with your insurance company that it will convert, otherwise you won't be insured once you pass. There are usually restrictions on the insurance group and value of the car you can drive. Young people behind the wheel of expensive, powerful cars tend to upset insurance companies. But you aren't likely to be driving a 5 Series or a Porsche right away, so it's probably fine. Finally, you can also get temporary provisional driver insurance, which is one of the most popular ways to go. It works by giving you an extra layer of insurance on top of your parents' insurance. It doesn't affect anyone's no claims bonus and just adds an additional insurance policy to protect you as you learn. Hopefully that's given you an overview of what you need to know. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. What would you do if you crashed a car, your mum's or dad's car? What would you do?
Would your parents, would their first reaction be, are you okay or is the car okay?
Oh, good question. What would the first reaction be? Anger? I'd obviously shrivel up. I'd be like, ah. I'd have to be like, you were driving, right? Swap now. Pass the keys, run.
We did this in another video. It is the legal responsibility of the car owner
to sort it.
So if you crash the car, it's their responsibility.
So what you're saying? So if it's the legal responsibility of the owner of the car and the person insured to deal with crashes, you're telling me if I crash my car as I'm learning with my mum or dad, potentially I could just open the car door, leg it home.
Literally, yeah. You have to.
And I have no legal requirement to deal with anything there.
No.
I don't need to learn to walk. All right, I'm learning to drive. I've got walking and running down. See you later. Zoom.